Hey guys, good morning. Oh my gosh, can you guys tell that I'm filming this on a selfie stick?
It's really see both sides, I should love. See on both sides, I should love. It's really you on my mind. It's really you on my mind.
Anyway, so today is December 26th. It is the day after Christmas. And if you guys know the struggle, I know you guys know the struggle of the day after Christmas and your room being like a complete disaster. I'm also a complete disaster. I really need to take a shower, like really bad. And I will just show you guys, like I need to actually deep clean my room. And I know people love these type of videos, so I thought, why not film it, you know, like a little cleaning my room video. For 2020, that's what I meant. Like, I need to get rid of some of these because some of those are very, very old, and I've had them since I was in like 5th grade. I need to like clean that, and this part of my room is a very big mess. Also, I need to organize my vanity and stuff around there because I feel like it's just a mess. And let's not even talk about this mess right here. Just the big, I literally filmed my Christmas haul yesterday and then I just left it all right there and went to bed after I edited it and everything, because right now as well, my whole entire family is sick. Like, I'm talking 102 fever, and I'm probably going to get it. Yeah, and I also, like I said, I need to take a shower. Like, I can feel my skin being like so like dirty and oily and everything, and it's not feeling too good right here. So also maybe we'll do a little spa night. I don't know. This is just gonna be a cleaning my room vlog after Christmas. And we're gonna be changing, you know, no more Christmas pillows on here. I honestly don't know. And then we're gonna be changing that out, lighting some candles, and yeah, but first I'm going to take a shower and stuff. Also guys, lava lamp update. It's still not lava lamping. Like, I don't know what I did, but it's not lava lamping, so that's great. Okay guys, I look like crap. It is now literally 3 o'clock. I took a shower. It doesn't look like it because it's that time. I need highlights and my hair looks crazy right now, but I need to clean my room. I've been putting this off all day, and so you're gonna see a lot of time lapses, but that is okay. So the first thing that I'm actually gonna do is I'm going to clean out this right here because there's just a lot of old stuff, like I said, that just needs to be thrown away, put to rest, and yeah, so let's do that. So I cleaned this whole entire thing. I will show you guys. So this is what it looks like now. This is like so much more organized. So I just stacked like all my candles right here, and then those are my Bath and Body Works ones, and then my Yankee candle, and that's the one I'm currently burning. And then I got rid of like so many just unnecessary things, like things that I haven't honestly touched in a really long time. Most of them are in the trash because of how old they are, but these I'm giving to Lexi. And I basically, yeah, just put like my hair stuff, like my hairspray and everything, and then like my spray deodorants and stuff, and some of my deodorants over there, and just different things. And then I just like lined up all of my lotions and just like kept the hand sanitizers. So I think it looks way better. So that's one thing in the room done. I forgot to take the before photo, so I'm gonna do that now. And then we're gonna keep on working. I think the next thing I'm going to do is move my bed back a little bit and clean like my bedside table and stuff. Actually guys, never mind, I'm not gonna do that yet. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take down all of my Christmas stuff. It's sad, but it needs to be done. That way my room can actually be clean and the Christmas is over. Okay guys, so I just took down all of these stuff on my window and on my, over here, the tree's gone. All of the stuff's still here because I haven't got to that yet, but also took all the stuff off the windowsill. Right now, the record player is the only thing that is sitting on the windowsill right now, but we have that down. I think the next thing I'm going to work on, however, is like this chair, the bookshelf, and the vanity section area and get that like all organized and cleaned up. Cleaned off like my whole entire vanity. I'm gonna wait to put everything back on until I get like the new things that I'm gonna be adding to my vanity, because as you guys know, these two things, that salt lamp and that diffuser, were on my vanity for about a year now. And I don't know, like to me it just didn't make sense that they were on my vanity, because I don't know, it was like I didn't ever use them when they were on my vanity, but now I've like my essential oils and stuff will be by my bed. So that makes way more sense to me. So I'm gonna be adding like the skincare fridge to my vanity on top, because that makes a lot of sense for it to be there to grab my skincare and stuff. And so that is what I'm going to do. But first I'm gonna like make my bed, sweep the floor, because like the only things left to do with the whole cleaning thing is to unpack all of the Christmas stuff, put it in its right places and everything like that. And so I'm going to do that. All right guys, we're slowly but surely getting there. So I have like completely swept the room. This bedside is done. I need to now unpack all of the Christmas stuff and put them places. I think I'm gonna replace some of the stuff that's like sitting on that shelf to make it look like cuter and stuff, you know? So that's what I'm gonna do next. Okay guys, I think it's like 6 or 7 o'clock. I don't know, I've been cleaning for so long, I'm still not done. Time is like, wait, hold on. Alexa, turn lights pink. Okay, that's a little bit better lighting for me talking right now. Also, my hair looks crazy. I just look disgusting. Anyway, so guys, you guys know how I got that projector for Christmas if you watched my What I Got for Christmas haul, and if you haven't, you should definitely go watch that. I got a projector and I was like, you know, taking everything out of the box, and I was like, let me see like how this looks, set it all up, and guys, this is so dope. Let me show you. Alexa, turn lights blue. It looks better with the blue lights on. Guys, wait, let me actually turn this on. This is literally, oh my god, so awesome. Like I'm like holding it up right now so it like actually looks like onto the wall, but I'll have my, let me pause this. I will have my stool like whenever I want to watch something on my projector to just hold this up. This is literally so cool, and I already had this HDMI cord attachment, so I can just hook it. I I'm literally so excited. Thank you so much, Mom and Dad, because I love this present. I literally never thought I would have gotten a projector, but this is so awesome. So thank you guys so much. I love you. And I'm gonna get back to cleaning and show you guys the finished product once I'm done. Okay, so I'm walking in. I'm gonna close that. So this is just like the basic overview of my room. I mean, I still have some like trash over there, but I have trash over there because I need to burn this, and I also need to take this out of my room because that's not staying in there. But this is just like the overview of this part, and then over here. So we still have the same thing over here, just my TV, the lights behind it, which oddly, okay, those lights are not hooked up to my TV at all. And whenever I press like the volume up or down, they either turn on or turn off. Like it's odd to me, but just that right there. Right here we have the usual. This is a little unorganized, but that's how it's gonna stay for now. I don't really know how to organize this, honestly. And then just on top here, I have this little bath set that Lexi got me for Christmas, and then just like my record player, so I thought it looked better here than over where it was. And then we still have my chalkboard calendar that still says June. Over here is where my futon usually is. Right there is my sitting corner. I usually have a blanket laying around there, actually. It's usually that one that's sitting on my bed, but I don't have a blanket that is going with the vibe right now, so I threw that on there. Yeah, since my mom is using my futon currently, right there I have my projector on the floor because I'm using it. Then we just have my bed. I just have this like blanket thrown over it. I don't cover up with this blanket because it's honestly so uncomfortable. We have the big dog that Isaac got me for Christmas, and just like my bed. On the table side, we have my Alexa, and then we have my salt lamp, my diffuser, my lava lamp, and my water bottle. I'll show you guys this though. I used, like all these drawers are filled up. Like this is filled up with just like lighters, scissors, anything that I need. This is just like notebooks and stuff. And this right here, I turned into my candy and stuff drawer from everything I got for Christmas. These are just like all the little sweets that I got. Again, we'll show a close-up of this. This honestly looks way different after I completely like cleaned this out and I gave Lexi most of what was in here and threw out the old stuff. But yeah, you guys, I already talked about this, but I really like how these candles are set up. And I was burning this one and that one earlier. That one that Isaac's family got me, and that one that I've had for a year now. Mom, I'm finally starting to burn my candles. You're welcome. My closet door, which I don't think I've ever showed you guys. I keep my swimsuits right here, and then I put like the SpongeBob skyline because Bikini Bottom, get it? So funny. That's literally comic genius. Have the mirror that I'm throwing out. Want to get a new one. Okay, so then we have my shelf over here. I didn't really change like anything in it. Honestly, I have all of this stuff from when I went to Florida all over the years. I have this bear that Isaac got me for Valentine's Day, I think 2 years ago. I think it was our second Valentine's Day. Yes, it was our second Valentine's Day that he got me that. Another thing from our second Valentine's Day, a picture of me and Lexi, and then a picture of me and Mama Shirley on 4th of July that I cherish so much. And then over here, I just have all of my perfumes. So I have the KKW Peach one, Black Opium, the new one, but this is Courtney, but from the KKW, Ariana Grande Thank You Next perfume. And this is also the Thank You Next perfume, but it's one where, you know, where like you dab it on. Do you know what I'm saying? Here, I told you guys I was going to display my Jeffree Star stuff. This doesn't have the mirror in it, it's just the box because I think the box is so cute. My pink dog speaker, and then this year's Pandora box I just thought looked cute here. And I just have this Hello Beautiful mug that honestly should be right here because it goes with the whole pink theme. Moving on to my vanity, it just looks way less, honestly, crowded. I don't know, it was looking very, very crowded over here. Looks the same. That is what I travel with whenever I use my makeup. Okay, so we still have the James Charles brush set. I just have that sitting up here. My face brushes in this little container, my eye brushes and smaller brushes, my little handheld mirror, and then this little thing that Misty got me that says Wake Up and Makeup that I'm going to be adding brushes to. And then over here, this is the mirror that Mallory got me, and I actually tacked like it up, and am hanging it. That way, like, it doesn't get very, very dirty and it's just like hanging there. And I think it's super cute. And then, hey guys, filming on a selfie stick I've had since the 5th grade. Anyway, here, this is like my little ring holder that I got last year from Marie for Christmas. It's super cute. It doesn't have any rings in it at the moment. My Mario Badescu drying lotion, that sponge holder. It's currently holding my sponge. And then the Bum Bum Cream by Sol de Janeiro. And then over here, we just have the makeup organizer that I've always had. I have my Too Faced mascara in here though. And also this is the new addition. I cleaned out whatever was in here, and I have my balm.coms in here, and then I also have all of the chapsticks that I got for Christmas, including that one that came with the skincare set. So all set on my chapsticks. And then obviously we have my skincare fridge with a lot of the stuff that I got this year. And you just open it up and it has all of my stuff, like my Jade face roller, that needle thing, 2 of my Mario Badescu sprays. I think this is, what is this? Face cream, just moisturizer. I have my Glam Glow mask, another mask, those 2 sprays, I think a toner, my Witch Hazel, and then my hydrator and another toner back there. Really clean now, which I feel like I'm not as stressed out. I feel like all day today, even when I was like doing other things, like me and Isaac, he got something to eat really quick and I went with him, and the whole entire time I was out, I was just thinking in the back of my mind, like, oh my god, I literally have to clean my room. Like, I have to. I absolutely have to. And now I did, so I feel like I can breathe and I feel like my room's clean. So it makes me a little bit more happy with myself that my room is clean. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know sometimes I like watching these like videos. Definitely let me know down below if you guys would want to see a room transformation video, because I really want to do that, because I've been wanting to redo my room. Honestly, I feel like ever since I moved in here. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.